take delight on their prayers that you may grant our hearts' desires. Through the intercession of Mary, our Mother, Saint Joseph, the most chaste spouse, and our patron, and the Perpetual Children, bless them with your love, in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.